Hey there, what's up everyone? Hope you're doing great today. In this video, I want to show you how you can unlock any Sprint iPhone so that you can use it with any carrier that you choose to use it with. Alright, so you may want to unlock your Sprint iPhone because maybe you are not happy with their service, maybe you're overpaying for your plan, or you may need to travel overseas and have your phone unlocked so that you can use it with other carriers internationally. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to do. It's a simple and inexpensive way to do it. Let's go. Okay, so all of these iPhones are locked to Sprint, and we're going to be inserting SIM cards from other carriers so that you can see what happens when the phone is locked to a certain carrier. All right, so let's go ahead and power all of them on. All right, so let's go ahead and insert each SIM card into each of these phones. So they all go to this activation screen where you will have to connect the Wi-Fi and follow the prompts here. So just hit continue on each one. This one's already giving me the message. So they're all going to give you this message which says SIM not supported, and that's because the phone is locked to Sprint. So obviously it's not going to work with a SIM card that we put in, which is from another carrier. So I'm going to show you now how we're going to unlock it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how we're going to unlock all of these phones right now. It's going to be with this black unlock chip that we have. It's just a little SIM card and it will unlock all of them. Alright, so let's go ahead. We're going to go and unlock them each one by one. Let's go ahead and remove the current SIM card that we put in each phone. So let's put this one right here. We're going to place the unlock chip in the SIM card tray and into the phone. Just wait for it to finish loading up and it will bypass this activation and unlock the phone. There you go. So once you see that it does that, you can go ahead and remove the unlock chip. So I'm going to go ahead and place the phone down. This is the SIM. We're going to leave the SIM card right there. Let's go ahead and move on to the next phone. We're going to do one by one. And there you go, your iPhone XS Max will also be unlocked. So let's go ahead and remove the unlock chip from there. Let's put that right here. All right, so now we're going to be placing all of the original chips that we placed into the phone that weren't working. Now we're going to place them back in to the phone without the unlock chip. So let's go ahead and do that now. So as you can see, they are all unlocked and working with these SIM cards from other carriers. So we can go to settings, go down to general, about. And as you can see, this one right here has a T-Mobile SIM card in there now. It says carrier T-Mobile. This one has an AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket. This one is T-Mobile. The iPhone XR does not say the carrier here. I can't find it. But, it is working with the SIM card that it wasn't previously working with before. And the iPhone XS Max It does not mention the carrier either. I guess the new model iPhones don't mention the carrier. As you can see, it does say T-Mobile right there. Alright, so I'm going to show you now how this unlock method actually works. So remember, just make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, and if you've already tried doing this step and it gives you the SIM not supported message, then you're on the right track. So once you see this message, all you're going to do is remove that SIM card that you're trying to use. In this case, this is a T-Mobile one. What we're going to need is this unlock chip. We're going to have a link to it down below in the description where you can get it. So let's go ahead and show you how the unlock chip works. Place it in the SIM card tray just like that. Place it in the phone. And then once again, it's going to take us to this activation screen. You're going to go ahead and hit continue. And it is going to give us this message once again, but not to worry because now we have the unlock chip in here. So we're going to go ahead and unlock it now. Go ahead and press the power button. If you're on an iPhone 10 and up, if you're on an iPhone 8 and before, you can just press the home button and it'll give you this menu right here. You're going to select emergency call. All right, so once you're in the emergency call menu, we're going to dial star 5005 star 7672 star 00 pound. So make sure you have it dialed in correctly like that. Once you're ready, go and hit the green dial button. And it's going to take us to this screen right here, which says input ICCID. This is where we're going to put in the correct ICCID, which is also down below in the description. And the current one right now is 8901-4104-2792-0259-5799. Once you have the correct ICCID put in there, hit send. It's going to say update success, hit accept. Once it takes you back to this screen, go ahead and power the phone off. We're going to need to restart the phone. And once the phone is completely powered off, wait a few seconds, and we can go ahead and power it back on. Alright, once it powers on, we'll just go through the activation process here. Once again, hit continue. But this time, since we put in the correct ICCID in there with the unlock chip, the phone will automatically unlock and bypass the activation. And there we go. As you can see, took us to the home screen. It unlocked the phone. So once it unlocks it, you can go ahead and remove the unlock chip. It doesn't need to stay in there. So let's take it out, and we can go ahead and place the SIM card that we wanted to use back into the phone by itself. So let's place it back in, T-Mobile. And as you can see, it's not going to take us to the activation screen anymore because it's unlocked. So it's just going to pick up signal and pick up service as long as your SIM card is activated. Okay, and you'll be able to use talk, text, and data normally as you should. All right, everyone, so that was just a quick and easy way to unlock your Sprint iPhone, any iOS, to use it with any carrier. So hope that video helped you out. Go ahead and give it a like if it did, and that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.